very thing of great joy for a moment of this time. And I thank God Almighty so much for Mr. President, because I think that one of the key destiny of his is how to reunite Nigeria and so take back the country as a united Nigeria. And this Ogoni peace deal is very key and very cardinal. And I'm very happy to be part of it. You may not know that, I also have a family in Ogoni land. Chief, it's Chief Apinu's family. Even when he departed, I still look after the family. So I am part and parcel of Ogoni. So if NSA permits, I will say that the president has a very deep, love and commitment, towards the people of Niger Delta. If you take from the east-west route, from, Okene there, running to Benin, you have 3 sections of this west route now being built by the president. The president asked me a question about a week ago. He said, all these routes that we are doing now, what has happened in the past? And that is the question Nigerians should be asking. Why is it that everything became a priority in terms of our road construction now? And so we want to assure you that, there are 3 sections there that are going on and are going on very well. And then, the GCO is here too, of NNPC. Please, you're welcome. No problem. Welcome, yes. Then, if you get from Benin, you also have 3 sections of the road being done by the president, and all of them are being done on concrete, down to Warri there. From Warri, down to Bayelsa, up to Eleme Junction. We have all the roads that failed being reconstructed, majority of it being done by Setraco. So we are sure that, there is no section of this West Road, which is the most important road for the Niger Delta, that is not being attended to by Mr. President. And even at Bayelsa, the president doesn't want people to be flying to, the oil, rigs again. So we are constructing the Nembe Brass route, and that is ongoing, right now, about 15 kilometers. Kosi, the governor of Bayelsa, is doing 15 kilometers. And so we continue down to Ekate, and then even in Akwa Ibom, when we are doing 9.7, bypass route. So the entire, east-west road is being done. But let me go strictly to, the commitment of Mr. President road infrastructure on Ogoni land. The Eleme One, 15 kilometers by 2, that's 30 kilometers, with 5 flyovers and the 2 bridges. Let me thank the governor of Rivers State for the commitment in seeing that this project is delivered on time. He offered and took off 1 full flyover at the refinery junction to be done by. So that is a gift of a father to a son. It's a gift to the president because it has lessened our financial burden on that. But I must thank NSA, honestly. I told him jokingly, I said, that road should be named after you, with me. They bullied me, they pushed me, but I'm so happy working with him because he's a man that, must get things done. And I'm happy that, all those efforts he made, has yielded very serious, success. The GCO is here. President has approved that you should pay ROCC their generator certificate because work is slowing down. So I need to let you know that through the NSA, I already got that approval. So I have to act very fast. So and to assure you that work is not stopping and that the contractor is been, approved, to get his funds. And so that project, give and take, will be completed by April. It's costing a total of 236 billion, a commitment, of Mr. President to, the good people of Ogoni. And of course, I'm happy with your commitment on the Bodo Boni. Even when we had issues, these Ogoni people kept coming, kept pushing with NSA, and we resolved the problem. And today we've opened that route, and some of you were there. And the president is committed also to, extend that route in fact, dualize it to, to the east-west road with 2 flyovers. That is, we are designing it now, and that is also the commitment of Mr. President. And of course, we are also going to be talking about PPP to do the second carriageway, on this Bodo Bonny, so that, we have, an assurance. If one goes bad, the other one will be on. So this is very important. And we're going to put solar light. And finally, I saw where the road, has a problem after One. I want to assure you that I've directed that 1 kilometer of the road, be, brought in to RCC for reconstruction on concrete. So I want to assure you of that. So let me not bore you, but be assured that Mr. President, being piloted by NSA, is very committed to this, peace process, and we are together in it. Thank you very much. Well, just very key things Mr. President directed, Mr. President directed that the coastal, Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway should be redesigned to pass through Ogoni land. Yes. And so we will be engaging with you as early as, 3rd week of January next year by God's special grace, and so that together we can agree on the route, and then the construction will also start next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
I have to thank the NSA for, the inclusive invitation when this was being planned. As most of us know, I've been just caught in a couple of months back. It's been really busy times. However, my team have been working as an integral part of everything that's been happening under the leadership of the NSA. So I'm really pleased to be here, Your Excellency, and you will see more of me going forward. I think it's important to say that all the key activities and the operations of activities in Ogoni, both the current plans, we are fully, as NNPC, fully committed and quite wired into all of them. Our mission is very clear. Going forward, it's all not about resources, it's about the people, it's about the livelihood, and it's about the environment. We believe wholeheartedly that energy development as an oil and gas energy company going forward, like the NSA has said, Ogoni is setting a new pace and a new framework for effective collaboration going forward. I'm delighted to share that none of our commitments, that one of our commitments, which has not been mentioned so far, to the people of Ogoni is becoming a reality. The process for the full-time employment of 30 Ogoni indigents has reached its final stage, with employment offers already issued. We look forward, yes please, it's issued. We look forward with pride, Your Excellency and NSA, to welcome them as they resume work in January 2026. This is a meaningful step for us in terms of the progress of driving the new vision, as the NSA again mentioned, of how things will work going forward. I think it's also important to also share our deep sentiments that what we are witnessing today offers the model of new Nigeria and how we can responsibly re-engage and resolve multiple complex situations that would unlock opportunities for us through dialogue, inclusion, environmental stewardship, and disciplined delivery, which we are seeing and we are seeing coming through. The lessons from Ogoni will guide our approach to similar challenges elsewhere, as NNPC running most of the interests of Nigeria across the oil businesses. This is an important blueprint that will help the whole country. The Ogoni, I will also say that as we move forward, patience, continued dialogue, support, mutual respect will guide us. I want to thank the National Security Advisor once again the Ogoni leaders, the Governor of Rivers State, and the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the leadership and the courage behind this renewed engagement. I think going forward, we believe there will be more, impactful progress made. I thank our brothers and sisters of Ogoni land. Together, let us make Ogoni land a symbol of reconciliation, peace, and shared progress. Thank you.
Thank you for what the MC said. With me, of course, we've had the introduction of those who are here with us. As part of the team, we are here as, envoys of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Of course, we have had the introduction, and of course, we have also members of the general officers in charge of our armed forces are here, those who have met here, senior officers, a couple of federal government officials who are here to thank you. Thank you for the cooperation. Thank you for working together as one to address some of the challenges and difficulties all of us inherited. And we have worked as one. And particularly we are here because of the Ogoni part of Nigeria. And we did an incredibly good work together as one. And we are here to demonstrate that, to identify with the people of, and once again to thank them on behalf of Nigeria. We are happy today. Rivers State is probably one of the most peaceful states in Nigeria. Things have changed. And Your Excellency, you are entitled to claim it, that you are responsible, you are part of it. It's based on... And the good people of Ogoni, leaders, quality human beings, we've had this amazing opportunity and to work with them. And I can tell you they are good people. They are first class. And we have seen, progress, development, and a massive promise for Nigeria and our future. Ogoni is looking like the turning point for Nigeria today. A new chapter is being opened. Nigeria will not be again what it used to be. Things are changing, and it is starting with Ogoni land. I'm here with the Minister of Works. He was properly introduced. He will have opportunity to say one or two words as well. Also the Minister of Environment, and indeed the Chief Executive Officer of NNPC. They are here. They might probably have one or two words to say. But my own simple, I have delivered the message of President. He said, I should thank you, Your Excellency. He is very happy with you. And we are happy with you. He said, I should also thank the people of Ogoni land for the cooperation, for understanding, and for giving him chance for him to achieve an amazing, a problem of 2 or 3 decades. Somehow now is turning to be a massive opportunity for Nigeria. He said, I should thank you, you leaders of Ogoni land. Thank you so much for it. And Your Excellency, I will still repeat your support. You did well. You provided enabling environment for that. You make it possible. And not only that, you also supported directly with a couple of things that is helping us to move forward. I will just name, the campus and the creation or the establishment of the university wouldn't have been possible without your own support. Yes. We want to acknowledge that, sir. 2, of course, the provision of the South-South Zonal Office for the Office of the National Security Advisor. Thank you very much. And of course, we still continue. The hospitals, the 4 hospitals that we are also working towards making them functional, you have supported it, you have given it, but we will still ask more. We need staff to run the hospitals. We want it to be the best we can have in Nigeria, and we are going to rely on you for you to support. And many other things that are ongoing right now. And I would want to give chance for the cabinet members who are here and the leaders to have one or two to say, to show how things are working in our country today. How Ogoni is beginning to look like the example for others to see, copy, and go that direction. Your Excellency, once again, thank you very much, and we are grateful to all of you. Thank you. I will invite the Minister of Works to, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's team. Few of us who are here with you this morning, many of them are the pillars of what we now, Christian renewed hope. Things are happening, things are taking place in our country. And many of them are not just being made a lot in the public knowledge. But I can assure you, work is ongoing and progress is being made every single day. Maybe the Minister of Work probably will have one or two things to add before,
The commander, OPDS, in our midst. Okay. And in fact, especially, let me recognize the very hardworking team in the Office of the National Security Advisor. I don't need to call their names. I believe that when I say the team, they know themselves. I want to say first, thank you to Mr. President. You see, thanking Mr. President is the first thing that everyone who truly love this state should do. Why am I saying this? I heard, if we were paying detailed attention to the speeches, the National Security Advisor said for over 3 decades. A decade is 10 years, Abi? So imagine for more than 30 years, one particular issue has always been a recurrent decimal, where people will plan to say, look, let us look for a way, engage these people, rewrite the wrongs, but at the end of the day, nothing happens. So I say I want to thank him for having the boldness, the determination, and the doggedness to say, look, even if the process is not going to be an easy process, which we all know is not easy, but let us start from somewhere. And we are beginning to see the result. What are the results? We had the first meeting with Mr. President. Some commitments were made. Commitments like East West Road, which I'm even one of the beneficiary of that road. You can't go to my place without transversing through that road. Today, at least a section of that road is motorable. You can drive even let me not be sarcastic. You can close your eyes and drive along one lane of it. It's not just from Eleme Junction. I went to Bayelsa yesterday to pay a condolence visit to my sister state, which is the governor of Bayelsa. After the visit, from Mbiama Junction to, I went to, from Bayelsa I went to, I think, where did I go to yesterday? No, not Iroele. We went to Bayelsa. After the condolence from Bayelsa, we then, somewhere there. So, no, when I went to Bonny now, I went to Bonny. Yes. So, from Eleme Junction till we got to Bonny, it was a good ride. Yeah, some section of the other road is still under construction, but a good portion of the road is completed. Then that of Bayelsa, from Imbiama Junction till you get into Port Harcourt, that section, one section of the road is also clean. This whole thing, let us not lie to ourselves. Some years ago, we used to have experiences where by that axis of Mbiama used to be blocked for days. You can't even maneuver it. So I want to say thank you to the National Security Advisor, who happens to be the one managing this request, demand, and plea from the people of Niger Delta. And let me also commend the Honourable Minister of Works for a great job. That is the side of the road. What about the side of the confidence building, commitment? We were assured that there will be a university, at least a University of Environment is already there. In fact, from what I read, they've already started admission, so you can imagine what that means for Rivers State. What about the issue of employment? Some years ago, even if you were working in, if you are an Ogoni person working in NNPC, they will sack you for a lot of reasons. Even those of them that were working in Shell at that time, they look for a way to make sure that you don't, because they believe that being there is a threat to the corporation. But this, today, we have 30 young men, or will I say both men and women, of Ogoni extraction that is already employed in NNPC. You can imagine what this 30 will become in the next 25 years in this country. I want to say this, not with any biasness. Before this time, the people who enjoy this employment and operation of the oil servicing companies are the people from the region. It's the truth. Somehow, maybe we didn't manage our situation very well. It slipped off. But I'm happy that today, that assurance, that support and encouragement is gradually coming back. So I want to thank Mr. President here through the National Security Advisor. If we start listing the commitments made so far, there are many. We have that of the hospitals, they are ongoing. The industrial park is also ongoing, and a good number of commitments. What is my role in this whole thing? My position is to support this process. I'm happy when they said here that it used to be very difficult before, but now at least they have a process, they have a leader, they have a governor who can manage. I need to manage it because development cannot come in an environment of crisis. The truth about it is, look at what we have lost. Look at what we have lost for how many years. If we want to correct these things, we must give room of adjustment. We must be receptive. It mustn't be start and end in our own terms. We must have room to say, look, I'm letting this go because of this. So please, let me send this as a message. National Security Advisor, ably representing Mr. President here, just be patient with us. I know that it's not an easy thing, but no matter how it comes, just understand that we are this set of people that we've been inside a big hole for a very, very long time. We are not used to light. So when the light comes, first, there's a way to shine into your eyes. You need to relax a bit. So if the process of all this stuff that we're trying to do, bringing back operation in the Ogoni land. Even if we're having issues from our people, please just be patient with us. I believe that one way or the other, we will definitely get over everything. Let me thank the Honourable Minister of Environment for all the wonderful work they're doing. Moreover, on the issue of the remediation, it's a big problem. On that, I want to also make an appeal. 2 days, or maybe about 4 days ago, the new owners of NNPC, the new owners of Shell, Tony Atta, I think the MD also came here, and we're talking. He came to thank me for my intervention in the operation in Belema, I think with Belema Oil and so, along the Cotton Channel. So while we're discussing, he said something. He said that they're having issues of oil spillage in Ogoni land. But the problem here is they can't enter to do anything. And that it's not just entering. These wells are old. Some of those things, due to age and some other things, might have natural default. That he wants to appeal to me that I should talk to my people. He's not saying he's going to do any operation, but to even save the environment. Not the word it is, to save the, because we're already talking about what environment is doing now. Is it that as we're cleaning, trying to bring back, more is happening? Why don't we at least repair? Please, I want to appeal to my good people. To your youth, you can extend this to them because you control them. If there are cases of spillage and the operators needs to go and repair, they should allow them. Because if you don't, it's still bringing us back to square one. So please, this one, I'm saying this publicly here, I will still try to have a meeting with the committee so that we can pass on this message to our youth and our leaders in the, but in all, it's not a day for too much talk. It's just a day to say thank you, a day to assure Mr. President that we appreciate what they are doing for us, and a day to say, to tell the National Security Advisor that we appreciate this role that he has taken upon himself to make we, the Rivers people, my own people, the Ogoni people, very, very proud again. Ogoni people are very great people. Ogoni people are wonderful people. Ogoni people deserve the best. Ogoni people, once in this state, had the high and mighty. I still believe that if we put our hands together, support what is ongoing, we can replace that position with the new and very vibrant upcoming Ogoni people. So let me thank everyone. That is unfortunate that the delegation is on a quick move. I wish they would have stayed longer so we can entertain you people, give you the hospitality of River State, give you the fisherman's soup, give you other things so that you enjoy before you go. But I know that from here you're going for 1 or 2 inspections, and from there you'll be heading back to Abuja. But you have our assurances of the best support on anywhere, on any area that you need us. Let me thank everyone again. Wish you the best. I'm about leaving here for my commissioning. You know, today I'm supposed to commission Permanent Secretary quarters. The head of service of the Federation is already around waiting for me. So I had to plead with her that I need to finish this visit before we commence that. So let me thank everyone once again. God bless us.